All right, guys, let's do what's inside. Today we are looking at the heat gun. Let's check it out. Let's get the cover off. You just have a few T15 screws in through here. Okay, so as you can see right here, this is your little board for the diode here. So you can see you have your on and off switch. With this is pretty simple switch. It's on and off. It's not variable. Then you have your board. Now this needs a little bit more technology because you have your fan back here and then you have your actual heater coils built into here. So all that does is that heats it up. Now one thing that we want to take a look at, let's see if we can pop this out. Okay. All right, there we go. Now it's all out. Slide this out, get this out of the way. So now we can take a look at it a little better. You can see the leads right here. This is for the motor that's in there. And then it has the fan housing. And then these are thicker wires, which we would expect a lot better quality. And then that's your protection nozzle, a ring. And then you have your heater coils built into here. Then it just blows out. And that is basically it. Very easy stuff. Let's put a battery in real quick. Make sure I keep my hands away from any connections. Turn it on. And oh yeah, that is heating up. Let's go ahead and pull that off. And that is basically how this works. Very simple stuff. You have to have more amperage to go into here because you are looking at a resistive load, not just an inductive load from a motor. So inductive, and then you have some resistive here. So is this what you all think it should look like? Is this what you expected? Let me know down in the comments. What's Inside Wednesday.